What's up, guys? About to do some alligator. First time cooking this type of meat. Never done it before, but I was searching online for a recipe and I couldn't find anything that I think I would want to eat. There's nothing with some oomph, some spice to it. So I figured, you know what? Let me try and make something myself. So I'm gonna do two styles of this alligator. First, I'm gonna season it similarly, but with a little twist for the one that I'm gonna grill. I'm gonna fry some of it, the bigger chunks that you see here, I'm gonna fry those. And then I'm gonna do a kebab on the grill with the smaller chunks. You can see like little 1-inch chunks here. I'm gonna do kebab style. I'm not gonna get too crazy with the fried ones, right? I'm just gonna do salt and pepper, then maybe some completa seasoning, a little crushed red pepper. And then for the ones that I'm gonna throw on the grill, I'm gonna do a teriyaki jerk seasoning I'm gonna add to some of it. So yeah, let's see how that comes out.
Oh no!
So we're gonna add salt and pepper to the bowl. I like this sea salt, tastes good. Some crushed red pepper, little paprika, not too much. So what I did with the gator first is put some lemon juice on it because I know it can be kind of gamey. I've never cooked it before, but I've had it at restaurants. I'm also gonna add a little bit of olive oil to it. So for the ones that we're gonna fry, we're not gonna get too crazy. I think we're good there. All right, we've got our seasoning. But for the ones that we're gonna throw on the grill, we're gonna add a little bit of that spicy Jamaican jerk seasoning. And we're not using measurements here, guys. We like it spicy, just spice to taste. And some teriyaki sauce. We're gonna rub that in there. This is the coal that I use. You guys see, I don't use a gas grill. I like the flavor of actual coals, and I use this Kingsford applewood coal, right? Sweet and fruity because it adds a nice flavor to the food. I also jerked some chicken, so we're gonna put that on first. Get a little jerk chicken action going. Max is my cameraman. Max, how's the food looking? Got a good angle? Okay. So we're gonna make a little circle. Woo! Fire's nice and hot.
Circle of chicken.
Circle of chicken. That's our new song, Max. Circle of chicken. And then we're gonna add our kebabs right in the middle there. Okay. 1 kebab.
2 kebab.
2 kebab. Gator bites, gator kebabs. That looks good, right?
Juicy.
All right, and then we're gonna cover it up and let them smoke. And just so we can spice up the one we're gonna fry a little bit, we're gonna add a little ginger, right? Caribbean style. All right, and we're also gonna add some of this Sazon seasoning. All right, I like the flavor that this adds. And some more garlic powder. And this is the one that we're gonna put in the frying pan. Oh, that smells good. I can smell the garlic.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Looking good. Looking good. Let's turn these bad boys. I think our chicken is done. What do you think, Max?
Looks good.
Looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
One last little sear. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Fried gator bites. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, Max, you're gonna grab a piece of the gator bites, the fried one. Tell me what you think. Go ahead. Honest opinion, buddy. What do you You're taking too long. What do you think?
This is extraordinary.
Extraordinary. What does it taste like? What does fried gator taste like?
It's soft, it's juicy, it's a bit spicy.
Good. And what meat does it taste like? So the people can know if they decide to try it.
It kind of tastes like fish.
Kind of tastes like fish. That's what I said, right? It kind of tastes like seafood. And it was, I mean, listen, not because I prepared it, but it tastes delicious. The seasoning tastes good, right? Mm-hmm. All right, let's eat.